guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Wenji. In today's video, I am going to teach you 10 most common Chinese expressions and phrases that you need to know because you may hear these 10 expressions and phrases quite a lot in China. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's go. The first one is 真的吗? 真的吗? Really? This is a commonly used expression when you feel surprised or when you can't believe the fact that is true. This phrase can also be used when you doubt something or somebody. You may use this phrase 真的吗? For example, 我听说 Jessica 最近和她的男朋友分手了。真的吗？但是她和她男友在一起已经5年了，现在居然分手了。你知道吗 ？Jack 现在在泰国旅行。真的吗？我前天才在商场看到他。Second one is 我的天呐 When you think something it's amazing or unbelievable, you may say 我的天呐，我的天呐。However, sometimes people may say this just to exaggerate things. Let's see the examples. 我的天呐，这景色也太美了吧。The third one is 什么? What? 什么? We use this phrase in different scenarios. The first scenario is when you don't understand about something and you have questions in mind. 什么？什么？什么？我不太明白。什么？我不太明白。Second scenario is when you didn't hear someone say something clearly, you may say 什么？我没听见。什么？我没听见。The fourth one, it's really important. You really have to remember this one. 牛逼, that means awesome. 你很牛逼 very awesome. When you think someone is really awesome and you want to give a compliment, you may say 牛逼 or 你很牛逼. The next one is 太棒了，太棒了 amazing. Woo. When you think something is amazing or someone shares good news with you, you could say 太棒了，太棒了 amazing. 我终于考进我的理想学校了。真的吗？那太棒了。Number 6. 不会吧？不会吧？ This phrase is to express your surprise. 他最近被公司开除了。不会吧？但是他一直很努力工作啊。Number 7. This phrase is super simple. It is hahaha. I'm sorry. When people think something it's funny, it's hilarious, and then they laugh about it, they would say hahaha. This phrase is commonly used in the context as well. Hahaha, 这也太搞笑了吧。Sometimes this phrase may sound a bit ironic, a bit sarcastic if you don't use it properly. It really depends on the conversation and context. Number 8. 好恶心，好恶心。When you think something is unacceptable and you're simply feeling gross about that, you may say 好恶心。看，那里有只蟑螂。好恶心啊。Number 9. 什么鬼？什么鬼？ This is a phrase as well as a reaction to something that is weird, abnormal to you. Usually when you see something weird, you may say 什么鬼？什么鬼？他真的吃了香蕉皮。什么鬼？ Number 10. 我操 I don't know if I should teach you this one, but this one is super common. Literally, the young generation, we all say this word. Okay, never mind. I already said it. 我操,我操. This phrase can also be used in several different ways. First way is to express your feeling of amazement. Here's the example. 他减肥了1个月，瘦了10公斤。我操，他很牛逼。Second way is when things out of control, you may say 我操。For example, 我的护照丢了。我操，那你怎么办？ Alright, those are the most common Chinese expressions and phrases. And I hope you find this video is helpful. Before I end this video, I have some homework for you guys. So please feel free to send me a video of you practicing these expressions and phrases. And on Instagram, send me a DM. Or if you have any questions, please feel free to DM me on Instagram. I will definitely check it out and answer all of your questions. To be honest, this is my very first time speaking English in front of the camera. Please excuse me if I said something wrong. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And if you want to see more videos like this or more videos about Chinese culture, Chinese food, anything related to Chinese, so just let me know. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.